Landlocked countries in Asia. Landlocked is a country that does not have any territory connected to an ocean. Total landlocked countries in the world is 44. Total landlocked countries in Asia is 12. World largest landlocked country is Kazakhstan. World's smallest landlocked country is Vatican City. Now, trick to remember all the landlocked countries just by remember the word Malta, Bank, UK. Each of letter will show country name and first M shows Mongolia and second A shows Afghanistan. L shows Laos and second T shows Tajikistan. T shows Turkmenistan and next A shows Azerbaijan. Next B shows Bhutan and next A shows Armenia. Next N shows Nepal. Next K shows Kyrgyzstan and next U shows Uzbekistan and the last one K shows Kazakhstan. So it's trick to remember.